Did you finish, Kayla, with your job?
Yeah.
All the cups? Grease all the cups? Do you finish all your mixing the flour?
Stella, I want you to mix it.
You're tired?
Yeah.
This is hard work. That's why when we eat the bread, we eat it real slowly and taste them. Because this is a hard work.
Oh, it's hard.
Okay. Help Kayla with this thing. Here, there's the other one. Put this on the...
Stella, all you have is 2 more. But you didn't put some right here.
Okay, you need more butter?
Yeah.
Here. With your finger. Grease all the bottom and on the inside. And the sides too. So that way the muffin's not gonna stick on it. They're gonna stick. They won't stick. It's gonna come off easy. Muy bien, niños. Qué bonito. Beautiful work. Here's
I finished. I finished.
You think you're finished?
Yep.
Let me see.
I did all the holes.
Here?
Yep.
Not have nothing in here.
I did that.
No. Here.
Oh.
All that around. Yeah. All the
Stella, there's not enough for here. Hey, there's not enough.
Here's my butter if you need it.
Okay.
All the bottom, all the side. This thing is ready to pour in. And when you're ready with your cupcake, you grease the cupcake sheet. I'll put this, okay? I'll help you.
Now, I gotta do the top. And that's the last part.
Okay. You finish?
I'm finished.
Okay, great job.
Oh.
Clean your hand. Tell me when you finish it.
Woo!
You have to
That was so
take this.
a lot of work. Ooh. That was hard work.
Let's see how much time. Terrific. $3.50. Okay. You know which ingredient we use? Butter. What else?
Salt.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Flour.
Flour. Sugar.
Cream of tartar.
Cream of tartar.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Eggs.
Eggs. Butter.
Butter. And
And
what else?
bread.
What else?
Banana.
And bananas. Oh, yeah.
I'll get the bread.
Okay. No, we're not gonna put bread on it. We already put the banana. Okay. Okay, great job.
I'm not